What is up, YouTube? Today I'm going to be showing you how to download memz. I am on a virtual machine. If you ruin your computer, I'm not responsible for that. You need to be also on a virtual machine. So the first thing you're going to want to do is disable the Windows Defender. Go virus and threat protection, go down to virus and threat protection settings, manage settings, real-time protection off. You want to make sure all of these are also off. You want to make sure all of those are off. Then what you're going to want to do is go and like the video, then go to the description, click on the link, and it'll bring you here. You copy the script. Oh, I fucked it. Alright, once you copy the script, you can go ahead and close out of Chrome. Then you want to create a new text document. Then you're going to paste the script in the text document. You're going to file, save as. You're going to save it as a batch file because, well, that's how you do this. Okay, well, for some reason it's not responding. Okay, there it goes. Alright, so you want to name it memz.bat, stands for batch file. Then you click down on save as type, all files, then save. You should see it pop up down there. Go ahead and close that out and you run it. My virtual machine's going kind of slow for some reason. Okay, there it goes. Start saying yes. And there it is. You have now infected your computer with the memz Trojan. Alright. Like I said, I'm not responsible for anything that you do. Make sure to like the video, subscribe if you like it, and I'll catch you guys next time.